Here's an MRE, menu number 24. Chicken pulled in buffalo style sauce, buffalo chicken. And this was made by the Ameriqual company. It has a date code of 0145. It was packaged on the 145th day of 2010. It says the peelable seal. This one has the inner bag. Chicken pulled with buffalo style sauce. 210 calories in that one. A lot of sodium. And a heck of a lot of fat. Inside is fried rice. It sounds nice, caramel color added. Accessory pack. Oh, this is interesting. When they seal this up, the iced tea was sticking out, so it doesn't really have a good seal on it. Let's open it up. There's the iced tea. Chiclets gum. Salt. Moist towelette. And toilet paper. No pepper. Wheat snack bread. Patriotic sugar cookies. M&Ms. Cheese spread with jalapenos. Mocha cappuccino instant powder. Thermos ration heater. Spoon and hot beverage bag. Anybody want to try some of this?
What is that?
It's chicken pulled in buffalo style sauce. Pretty excited, huh? Tear the top off of this. Alright, we're going to take the buffalo chicken. I'm going to slide it in here. You see this heating element here, Minnie? Slide it over the top of that. Bring the heating element up. And I'm going to try to put the fried rice in here too. On the other side. Right, like this. And I'm going to put just a little bit of water in here. So it brings up to this line right here.
Oh, come on, turn on. Whew, I got a picture of you.
Right about there. And slide the whole thing down in here. Get the water into the heating element. Fold this over. Stick it into the box here. And you want to set this on a rock or something. We just so happen to have a rock. And give that 10-15 minutes to heat up.
Don't get close to me.
Lena, come here.
Because you want to get close.
Look at it. Chase him. You can chase him. Jumpy. How come it's okay for Daddy to drink beer, but not Mom?
It's a beer. He drinks wine, so actually, I think that's his wine. I heard thunder. I'm just looking. At least this is out nature, right? We're up and down there.
Anyway,
Okay, because they're all the same.
Hold on tight. You both have more sandwich to put.
I know. Surprise, Mommy.
Try it. Will you be here with me and be strong? Okay. No wonder he wants me to try it. Iced coffee? Mocha cappuccino.
All these different weird names.
Anybody want to try it?
Not me. I'm too scared of the thunder.
what do you think, baby?
It's goody. What does it taste like?
Iced coffee?
Don't eat it all. Don't drink it all.
You are gross.
What do you think, Minnie?
You had hair stuck to your face.
It's 2 thumbs up to you. Oh, wait.
What did I say about big rocks? Put it down where Daddy asked.
I wanted to hold the rock.
Can you just hold this and tell me if it's hot?
Hot. I think right now it's misting a little.
No, it's doing nothing.
That's good.
It's true.
I can smell the smoke, but it's not in my eyes. I'm like, Billy, 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 Billy.
You really want me to throw up tonight?
No, I don't want her to. Daddy, when did you do that?
No problem.
Mom, I'm afraid. Daddy.
Not bad. Hurt.
Do you
You wanna try a little, Minnie?
have a diamond? Ah!
Too spicy?
Okay.
Any player deals 1 card face up to each player. Right away. Oh, that's right. Chicken.
We bet you.
4 of a kind.
This actually has some taste to it. The last one I had was pretty bland. It's like white rice with brown color added, but this actually tastes like
Okay.
rice with some flavor
You
to
gonna
it.
play Go Fish? You wanna play with us, Viola?
Still nothing exciting, but not too bad.
No. No chocolate.
Chicken's pretty good though.
Suit. Yeah, it's called suit.
Here you go.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, Mommy. Wait, is it like goldfish?
Edible.
Edible.
A star? Yummy.
Yummy. Good job,
Is
baby.
that diamonds?
Oh, I think. No go.
Do you have any
What do you think?
Ks? Which are pretty fantastic. Helena, do you have any pens?
Sammy's sleeping.
Close that. Close that.
Yeah, a little bit left over for me.